Let's see how I make grilled chicken cheese samosa. You haven't seen this recipe before, one of the best recipes you can make in Ramadan. This chicken cheese samosa is the best tea time snack. Let's start. We need 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, 1 teaspoon red chili, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon tikka masala, salt for taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix it well. It's my mother's secret masala recipe for chicken. It's time to add 350-gram chicken fillet. Marinate it. It's going to be really spicy. It's time to grill it. I have portable tandoor, you can grill it on any other griller. I love this spicy chicken samosa recipe. Do let me know in comment section from where you are watching so that I can send you a hug. Today's hug is for Malia from Pakistan. I hope you are enjoying our recipes. Our grilled chicken is ready. It's time to shred our grilled chicken one by one. Chicken samosas are served throughout the year, but are specially made during Ramadan to break the fast. My husband had the chance of enjoying these delicacies many times in Lahore. I love Lahore, it's my first love. Now it's time to add chicken in a bowl. And add my favorite mozzarella cheese, you can also use cheddar cheese. Mix it well. While there are many varieties of samosas all over the world, chicken samosa with cheese is definitely a special one, as its flavor is incomparable to any of the other versions. It's time to shape the samosa. I am using samosa pastry sheets. Lay a sheet flat and fold the first corner to create a 45-degree angle. Repeat this once more until you obtain a cone, with the rest of the wrapping pastry still flat. Fill the cone with chicken filling. Seal it by making a flour paste out of some all-purpose flour and water. This will be medium thick and very little will be required. Finish folding in the same fashion. Grilled chicken and cheese samosa, one of the best recipes for Ramadan. You can also freeze these samosa in a large frying pan. Heat oil until 350 to 370 degrees Fahrenheit and drop the samosas, allowing enough space in between each piece. Deep fry the samosas until golden brown. Our chicken cheese grilled samosa is ready. It's time to serve it. Don't forget to subscribe. Ek Nayi Recipe.